Coming up with the name Warafiki, how are you guys going to make that name sound even beyond when someone hears Warafiki, automatically they will be looking for three of you. People have made names, the names are still there.
Yes.
You guys, what are your plans to say that the name Warafiki makes a statement in the music industry?
The type of music we do, the Fengafe, we're unique in our own way. So even I would say even Nekati right now it's already. Ndio wega kwa Warafiki people now know. Now know. Wala because singing it comes with a lot branding and all that. It's not about only singing. Katuwecheja kuyimba that at least we really tulaganti we're here to sing. When it comes to
It's you guys who didn't have boyfriends.
No,
we
had.
had. We had by then.
I wasn't.
By then.
Oh, no,
I wasn't.
Tayari, but I had someone.
Someone else was there, but I wasn't. Your way.
Yeah, Mugamba, via music siyagala obiberemu. I want to get you something to do.
And maybe she was loyal.
Can a boyfriend wake up one day and predict your future?
If you let him.
If you let them. Me, no.
Me never. Even me no.
Men come and men go.
Yes,
so
of course.
Akuleka out like
and your future is, no. Someone who loves you is supposed to support you.
Okay.
Yeah. And push you to do better, not to just pull you out of something that can make you even great.
I even feel like any man that stops a woman from following her ambitions is scared of that woman.
Yeah.
Oh.
Probably they see that great.
Yeah,
they feel threatened. But you're becoming something that will probably make him feel small. So that you're covering it out. No.
And some have this mentality, like, especially our industry. Abasajja bamanyi.
Hi girls.
Hi.
How are you? Am I okay to call you girls?
Yes.
Or to say them ladies?
It's okay.
It's okay to call you ladies.
Yes.
Or girls.
Girl.
So how are you?
Good.
How is the industry?
So far good.
So far good.
Yeah.
So as we move, we in 2024, we just finished. You guys came in ngatuyingira 2023.
Yeah.
Yes.
How did you find the industry as you guys were penetrating? Before we go to who is who, how did you find the industry?
When we came out.
Like you coming ngatufuluma 2023.
Surprisingly, so far it was okay. We got a positive welcome. I don't think it was really bad.
It
It wasn't.
It was okay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay.
It was a warm welcome.
Yes.
It was a warm welcome. What do we call warm welcome? We have so many ways of welcoming, and you guys, you received it. What do you call warm welcome?
Nze nandichise, like, people, first of all, people love our music.
Okay.
The song we have out, people love it so much. Teba tulaga, and we love your song. We love you guys. That's a very warm welcome. Abalala bantu ignore. Nzabo bebani.
Yeah, the
Jay
fact
Valley.
that today is 1 month. We
Yes.
made like 1 month
1
because we released like on 8th, and our video is not doing so bad for the fact that we are new in the industry. So it's pretty much a warm welcome. Yeah.
Okay. I saw you guys performing at the countdown at Serena.
Yeah.
Yeah.
How was the performance?
It was nice.
Fun.
It was good. It was fun.
That's good.
Yeah.
Okay. Let me start with you. Your introduction.
I am Trizzy.
Okay.
Yes, I'm Trizzy. I don't know. What should I say? I'm Trizzy. I'm a little bit fun. I love sports.
Okay.
I'm an Arsenal fan. I know we did bad yesterday. I don't want to talk about that, but still good. Twabagoba Nga
Yes.
Gunners to the top all the way.
Okay.
No matter what.
Okay.
I don't know. I have an amazing sense of humor. I'm a dark humor-ish. I know it's bad, but I do have a dark sense of humor. I don't know. I love to have a good time and make friends.
Make friends.
Ish.
Okay.
Kinda.
Okay. Everyone has a role in a group or with friends who you stay along with. Yeah.
Everyone has.
A role or what you carry in the group. On your side.
On my side, I don't know. I probably, I would say, I'm like the go-to. I don't know. I love fixing small things, and I love like just being probably the hard go. Hard, not hardcore. You're hard, but in case of like the rational hours, I love being calm and composed so that nobody freaks out, and I don't freak out when like there's like a harsh, because I don't want to put it in my head and then like kuva kumulamwa. I love being composed. I
Okay.
pretend like there's nothing wrong going on, so I love being like the
What's the good side of you?
the good side of me.
Mm-hmm.
The good side of me would be I'm so into like when I'm around good people. I love. I'm loyal. That's a good side of me. And once you're in me, my circle, you're going to get that protective side of me, which I don't like.
Oh, you hate
I'm
it.
too protective. Like it's annoying.
It's annoying.
Yes.
Your introduction.
I'm Tori.
Sorry.
Yeah.
And
I love music. I love dancing.
oh, okay.
I love swimming.
That's why you're slender.
I've been like this for like
Okay.
but I love swimming so much.
Okay.
It was hard for me to learn. So when I got Nenjiga, I love making friends.
You're the sleepy person in the
Yeah.
group. Eh? Waking you up is a tug of war.
She can sleep anywhere.
No way.
When they're doing her makeup, she's sleeping.
Okay.
That's how bad it is.
Let's pray. You don't sleep on stage.
No,
No,
no.
it's difficult.
You can.
I can't.
Okay.
Yeah.
So, what's your role in the group? Everyone has a role in the group.
Right now, I would say like we all share the roles. We don't have ntiono because ojja kwekanga nga chizi aina kyakoze nga eila naye akikoze nga nange nkikoze. Like right now we don't have roles. Ntiono gundi yakola kino. Yes, but kyenemanyiko maybe kyebatera okuŋŋambako I'm the hard one, like the hardcore.
Okay.
Kiba kiganye nga bano yes nze eba no, like no eba no.
Where they fear to say
Banga
no.
soldier nyingira ngo wa maje.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. What do you love most?
About
Like yourself, what do you love? What's your best interest in life?
what I love about myself.
Mm-hmm.
Jesus, I've never faced such a question.
Okay.
Let me help. You're ambitious, you're patient, you're loving. Because in Kankuyambi.
Am I?
Okay.
I don't know.
You don't
like,
know.
Sibera nkaone ngamba this is what I love about myself.
Really?
Yes. Like
Really?
yeah. Like seriously.
She's surprised.
Oh,
Mm.
interesting.
Interesting. Okay. Your introduction.
I'm Ayla.
Ayla.
Yeah, Ayla. I love making friends, adventure. I love animals so much.
Which animal do you love most?
I don't have one specific one, but I just have that thing for animals. I can love an animal more than a human. It's that weird.
Ah.
Yeah, I love cooking.
Hmm?
Yeah.
Foodie
I'm a
yourself.
foodie. I love food. Yeah, so yeah. I love swimming. And Chaiga is my teacher.
Ah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I love movies.
Yeah.
Animations. Whew.
Animations.
Even animations, yeah.
Mhm.
Mostly. If I'm feeling down, animations will do me good. I love dancing.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's the reason you love movies because you're a foodie person.
Because I watch while snacking.
Mhm.
I know. Really. I'm a foodie because I love cooking.
Oh.
Yeah, I love cooking so much. I would try anything. My shows, when we're home, my shows are either wildlife, cooking,
Chopped food.
chopped food, things like that. So I see something, I would want to try it out. cook it or eat it.
Oh, okay. So what's your great interest in a group like you do best from your friends?
What I do best, I'll go with what Tori said. I don't have what I do best. We share roles, but what I can say is, Wimbanga, that time I've been given a specific role. I'll give it my all.
Okay.
I'll give it my all. But we don't really have like until this one specifically. I know college. This one you have to do this now. We share the roles, but once I'm given something to do, I'll really give it my all.
Okay.
Yeah.
Where did any of you, like, where did they get you guys to bring you together, start Warafiki? Before we go to what's the meaning of Warafiki, where did they get you guys? What were you guys doing?
Yeah, first of all, they didn't get us.
Really?
We got ourselves and brought ourselves here.
Yes.
More light.
During lockdown, remember everyone was home. Ataina byakola bichi netugamba naye because twali tubeera wamu ng'abawala,
You were friends?
Yes.
Yeah, we were friends.
Makatandika pangisa bichi ate newajjawo COVID.
Yali akabana China.
Oh.
Yeah.
COVID
Yali
najja.
China.
Kati nga tubeera wakati amina byakola mulaba movies nemukowa TikTok aga tukoze ki. Then we were like, but we can sing because we could all sing. Before era nga tuyimbyeko mu zi bands.
Okay.
Tubakinzeko ba artists.
Okay.
Yes. Netugamba tukoze tutya netugamba kati tutandiko we pitch out the idea of a girl group to different people and see oba banakibuyinga because by then tewaliwo girl group.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so we pitched out to different people, but fortunately it was only Steve Jean that got back to us.
Okay.
Yes, at what appointment, come at office,
Come
we
through.
talk.
Okay.
We were 4 girls.
Then where did
Yeah, Vako.
reason?
Boyfriend.
Wow. So it's you guys who didn't have boyfriends.
No, we had. We have by then.
By then.
Oh, no,
I wasn't.
Tayari, but I had someone.
Someone else was there, but
I
wasn't.
your way.
Yeah, mugamba bya music sibyagala obibeeremu. I want to get you something to do.
And maybe she was loyal.
Can a boyfriend wake up one day and predict your future?
If you let him.
If you let them. Me, no.
Me never.
Even me, no.
Because me can
Men
never
come
happen.
and men go.
Yes,
so,
of course.
akuleka out like
And your
mchanja,
future is, no. Someone who loves you is supposed to
they'll
support,
support
you
you.
Okay.
They'll
Yeah.
and
support
push you to do better, not to just pull you out of something that can make you even great.
Because I even feel like any man that stops a woman from following her ambitions is
That's-
scared of that woman.
Yeah.
Oh.
Probably they see that
Threatened.
great.
Yeah.
They
Yeah,
feel threatened.
threatened.
Kati abalaba you're becoming something that will probably make him feel small. So kati are covering it out. What no.
And,
So
and,
that's
and
collision.
some have this mentality mbo, like kati especially our industry. Abasajja bo abamanyi bwogera mweno industry bagenda kulaba bakubbe, kati bambi ne babeera insecure.
Okay. She said by the time you guys joined, she had no boyfriend. You guys too said by then,
We had
Yeah.
people there.
meaning currently.
We don't.
We don't.
What made you drop your boyfriend?
We didn't
drop
drop them
them.
because of this actually. Because we broke up. I broke up. You actually broke up before me.
Yeah.
Yeah. Kati. Yeah, like nange chali before even we came out because we've been in the closet for like 2.5 years.
Okay.
But we are under like
Yes.
grooming, rehearsal, what recording. Yeah.
So before being unveiled, you guys have been in a closet for a full year.
Yeah.
Eh,
But not a full year
like
because
2.5.
2019.
It's like 2.5.
2.5.
Okay.
Yeah.
And the boyfriends were like, Neda wano.
Ebyatuyawula nze byanjawula it was not music. Yeah.
Okay. That's personal life. I will not go into that.
Yeah.
So being in a closet for almost 2 years, you guys rehearsing, doing what, and everything. Take us through the lessons you guys went through that you think are going to make you solid in the music industry.
Let me see. Stage presence.
Okay.
And performance, like it goes beyond you being an artist stepping on stage.
Yeah.
No, you mean it out, and be like, my song is going to carry me through. No, you have to be a performer, and you have to engage people, and you have to make them buy your whole artistic whatever you have, like own as an artist.
Yeah.
So the fact that we have to be performers while stepping on stage, it doesn't have to be just about singing, but being entertainers as well. And then what else? Yeah,
vocal
coach,
training.
like balancing everything, like the vocals on stage. It's not just about going there, no. So it's about having fun and bringing out the real zeal of music and being performers on stage.
Okay.
Yeah, we went through mentorship programs to help us like be mentally stable, you know. This industry kuba so you know kubang at least ko now umusinji on how to handle things. Vocal training, we have vocal teachers, could go for vocal training, dance classes, and then record music.
Okay.
Yeah.
So far we've only had
Only one song.
one song
Cover.
and the cover.
Christmas cover,
Yes.
yeah.
Let's leave alone the Christmas cover. Let's go with Bwekati. A little bit of a cappella, you guys, before we continue.
Oh.
Yeah.
From Kampala to Doha, you ride me like a rover, baby drunk never sober, give you sugar moreover. If you love me a little Bwekati, I will give you my love, oh, and natty. Love me a little Bwekati, I will give you my love, oh, and natty. Love me, love me, love me tonight. Love me, love me, love me tonight.
Okay. You guys sounds like have you any of you watched these a cappella movies?
Yeah.
Are you guys picking a leaf from there?
Of course, if you love music, the reason why we watch such to pick a leaf, to know, wanawaka una aitawa, waita wanachinyuma. Yeah,
You know, music is funny. You don't just come out and sing.
Yeah.
Balancing. Once your harmonies are off when you're singing, man. So you have to look up to different a cappella groups and stuff to also.
You guys told me before, like making this group, Warafiki were backup artists. Backing so many. Before we go to those who were backing before, you guys joining Steve, taking you indoors for training and everything. Do you think did he add on something? We know Steve Genies are great in this industry, from the music, even even right now if you look at Dolewo Mwana and everything. Is there any additional value, or you guys be backing amulira ngera bimukyatambulirako?
Kasate we twajja ntwalinga abatalina kye tubadde.
No way.
Surprisingly, yes. Kati twalina kudda ku zero. Yes, because we womanyi nti nze nyimba nkasuka ogenda okulaba ate tekigenda kukola, so he's like oba ngambe ki.
There's even having a voice nga tomanyi ddoboozi
gikozesa. Kati abamu twalina amaloboozi naye nga simanyi bikozesezza ntya, because wobeera eri outside oyimba fwa and everyone be like mwana gwe oyimba okikuba naye kati ye ojja wetwajja wano akugamba nedda kati kwe tuli woyimba bwoti, it brings out your voice well. Either woyimba woti trizy kati ate when you come together nemuyimba we mutono naayita wano naayita wali, because remember twali individual, but we had to learn to be together, to sing together as a group, so that we balance
and blending so well.
Yeah.
Okay, which artist did you back? Betolo kutunulia ko netugamba nti nze na backing on.
Why are you guys looking at me?
Because it started with you.
Don't look at me. Me, I started with Band Cindy. I was like highly backup vocalist for some good time.
Okay.
And then later, I just started becoming like a backup artist. I just started backing up artists on their concerts. The
Okay.
B2C, Shiba, so many.
Okay.
Yeah.
Me,
Yeah.
I've backed a lot. I was Kenzo's one of his main vocalists. Big talent.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's before you left to China or after coming back?
Before.
Before going.
Yes.
What made you leave then go to China? Nga endongeganyi?
No, I ndongo teyagana, but I got an offer. Bali bagala omuwala omuddugavu ayimba in a band.
Aye, still you went to China ng'ogeza mbya music?
Yes. Ate nga bampa akasente akawera. Yes, nengenda.
Abantu tubalabanga balina ebintu ebyakabi mu music. Kati ate wongambye wakomawo wano oyingira ewa Steve waliyo n'okudda ku zero.
Ndijukira neri we nali balina ebyakabi, but when you go to work they don't put in, tebakuteekamu mbu bakufunire vocal trainer bakole biki, ojja ng'oli muyimbi. Osangayo bandi, osangayo cause nali nkola n'aba Philippine, these people, aba Puerto Rico, yes, those ones. Kati bagata people from different countries. Yes, nemuyimba. Kati nze yaliko nga vocalist mu band. Abasigadde bali bakubi ba byuma.
Nga gwo basingako.
No, nali sebasinga, they were good, but bakubi ba byuma nze yaliko nga lead vocalist.
Okay.
Yes.
And?
I've backed up many. The likes of I've backed up Kabako.
Kabako mu backing oti omuntu abuuka mu bbanga nadda
no obukirako ngenda ne vibe. I've backed up
B2C as
well. Even Serena Butter.
Hey, you gig
Like Banji.
Okay. Okay. She has brought a question I didn't want to bring. You guys in other world of backing artists, doing other gigs before coming, the challenges, because when you talked of Serena Butters, she was like, eyo gig jireke.
Because it was
because twali mutukula. Tuba tudda nga bagamba COVID, simanyi bakwata abantu. Actually bakwata ne bakenzo. Like teri kusala.
That one,
kata tukaabe.
Abantu gye baddira mu motoka ezitali zaabwe.
Anafe twakola ne bagamba mukyuse mwambale ng'abantu ba bulijjo, kati mugenda yitirawo ku bigere, ate tugenda yita mu kapanya.
I know. Amatoka abantu bagasanga mu maaso.
Yes, twagasanga mu maaso mu motoka.
Twagasanga bu boda.
Oh, sorry.
No kwambala ngoli begging.
Nga mubonye n'endongo.
Kati abamu ebirala challenges zetufuna at times tebasasula by the way. Muvayo kiro okugenda n'okubagiga bakututte wala. Ni bakuwa sente, abamu bakuwa sente mangu, bakuwa mangu, mukwate.
Hey.
Yeah, ogenda mugamba ganze nakuwadde ziwera.
Gwamanyi.
Yes, and at times it's not the bayimbi. Kwanga olwana abantu abali close.
Kwanga because abayimbi we don't usually tetulakolanga na bayimbi direct.
You don't deal with the artists. Mumera mu third party akuleta. Okay.
Yes, kataba sente ziwera. Nataba nomubanja next vibe. If you guys have to go like 2 gigs. Nga nemugamba nenda musoko tumalina kale mujje tujja tesa. Nimugera natabawa. Nimutesa from the beginning to this is the money we want. But after the gig, nigga gives you half of it. Yeah.
But so we twakola n'abayimbi direct.
Ate nga kyajawulo.
Yes. Nabo basasula. Obanga yakubidde simu. Yes, ngakusasula sente z'obulungi.
What lesson do we learn from that? You guys got to mwali ba backup kan mwe ba main mwe bagenda okubackinga.
To treat people right.
Especially abantu bogendo kozesa. Man, the fact that we've had the experience of being into that band and being like backing up artists, we know the hassle. Yeah. So probably make everything right and pay like whichever artists that would be backing us. At least they don't go through that because it's hard. Very.
Abantu nga beerabira. Muntu waafunamu ng'akyuka.
I'm telling you, saga kwa examples, but I'll give Shiba. Yaliko dancer and she knows that because I've worked for her before nga dancer.
Okay.
Shiba muntu afayo ku bantu akusasula because I remember I worked some project when I used to choreograph dance, I choreographed with someone n'atampa sente zange za choreography nampa ez'okukola. But then we twagamba Shiba yakwata ezo sente n'azimpa ng'omuntu like because she knows the hustle azinako yakolerako abantu kati amanyi bambi what it takes. So we believe naffe like man we know. We know, so we'll treat people right.
Okay. Let's come to the name Warafiki.
Yeah.
Where does the name come from? Mulijawa anyalireta. Yamwe basatu.
We had so many names. Actually, Warafiki was not even there
Close.
at all. It wasn't even close. Twaina linya ddala nnyo. But copyrights kati the registration and stuff.
So it's copyrighted?
Yes.
Terasobola ditwala lyammwe?
Yes.
Okay.
Avoiding all that in the near future. Yes. Chita isanofune chintu nga chicho tebagenda chikusumbuwa nti ate bino bano babasuwinga whatsoever. Had so many names.
And we also wanted something we can relate to.
Yeah, something that we can relate to.
How do you guys relate to Warafiki?
It's friends.
Warafiki chigambo cha Luswahili, it means friends.
Friends.
Yes. So we're friends that came together.
Okay.
Yeah, we're friends that came together.
Okay. So who came out with a name? Ani alete linya nagano no katwetume Warafiki. Ani alina obwongo. Sawa zino.
Oh, should we tell them?
No.
Bongo twabulina but twalina like ngaba twayita ab'emikwano nenga tekiwulikika bulungi
kuba nange ndaba kiwanvu.
twalina management together.
Yes. Everyone is
And we couldn't say friends in English.
No, you guys are friends. Because we kept on saying, neighbor, church together, we're friends, we love you.
even tried our names.
Sorry.
T-E-T.
Maybe
We tried so many.
Leyo ne baligana nga bajja tumekingako fun.
Hey. Okay.
Yeah.
So you coming up with the name Warafiki, how are you guys going to make that name sound even beyond when someone hears Warafiki, automatically they will be looking for three of you. People have made names, the names are still there. You guys, what are your plans to say that the name Warafiki makes a statement in the music industry?
The type of music we do, the fengafe, we're unique in our own way. So even, I would say even Nekati, right now it's already. Warafiki people now know. Now know. Because, singing, it comes with a lot, branding and all that. It's not about only singing. Kuyimba, that at least we really, we're here to sing. When it comes to performance, we give our best. When it comes to Kwambala Bichi, like, I'll say branding. So I already did it color. When you talk about Warafiki, they'll be Abasajja. So we also trying to color is to really just give our best. Give our best. Because chokola chechko girira.
True.
Your name, it cannot make noise if you don't have what to show. You know what you show, it what makes you hardened. People look for you, hey, so yeah. I saw you guys, your performance. Of course, some other people saw us, and you even saw the way we were dressed, you saw the energy we put up on stage. So that's itself.
Okay.
Yeah.
In addition?
Probably me, I'm interested in like the performance. I feel like I want us to make that difference of we're not just singers, but when we're on stage, it's like performance. The stage presence and the performance, it's amazing. It's not just about coming on stage and you scream for people, but I think over Gambia, you guys
Baba is a kuyimba to go to work.
Yeah, we want like that whole amazing performer, what they call like a performer, a full artist coming on stage. You're giving people that incredible. Because okay. Kagawanga, you surprise them. You have like this song, but you play tricks with the song and the routines and stuff. Yeah.
Okay, you guys have come in the industry. Every step you take, the bigger you become, the more challenges in the industry. You've been good enough. it's challenges ezimu muziyiseemuko.
Yeah.
You guys, how are you going to fight for your space? People have made their names but fail to fight for their space. Now later enyimba nazikuba within a period of time netutandika okulaba nga yes, it's the right word, nga sebengere.
Yeah,
Oli Muganda nnyo eh? Okay.
Chemanyi, it's we can't send it to get, we're going to keep ourselves there because we are not God. But what I know is that we're going to do our level best. We're going to release good music that has to keep us there. And with the help of our management, inshallah, we shall keep up there. Yeah.
It's a girl group.
It is.
Yes.
And you know what the problems that come with girls?
Yes.
Yes.
Good enough mutugambye ekyabalenzi mwakitaddeko hold, but till when?
Not cohort.
Hey.
Like,
Mwabagoba.
nga omanyi nti tuli humans era abantu babeera mu relationship
And things don't
nezigaana
work out.
Zaagana bugaanyi.
zaagana
Yes.
bugaana
Ne mugoba.
tetwagoba
Kyagaana,
kati let's be friends
Nabo.
yes
You know, that can also
I'm
happen.
friends
It
with my
doesn't-
ex.
It doesn't mean
Same,
that
same.
you guys have to hate each other.
Yeah, by the way.
yeah we talk
Talk
we
without
laugh
exes.
yes
You meet?
Not
No.
necessarily. No. No, of course, you take out boundaries.
yes
Okay.
Take out boundaries.
But no good blood.
But
No good blood.
No, sorry,
no bad blood
I
No
thought
bad blood.
no bad blood.
Yeah,
But you can go out together, guys.
No.
out is okay
outing, me, I can't go out with my ex.
me I can
Freely.
No!
me I can't freely I think I took
There's
over
limits to this thing, you girls.
no darling I go out
Stopping up with Simu.
Nze, I will go out
Eh.
then we part ways after you go at your
What,
place I go at
what
my
are you
place.
exactly are you talking about?
I can go
I can-
out with my ex.
Yes.
Talking about
No,
what?
see,
Ngamutu
no
down.
like
Yes.
kati me and my ex were like friends
Yeah.
like tight we gena East Africa then ngatula eri Europe where that's
okay.
our prayer
Your prayer.
and we pray that people love our music more because so far but they love we pray they receive it with more love which again follow me
Okay. Thank you. For me, I pray for you guys. Ntimufune boyfriends.
Why?
amina
You human.
Also says saint.
We're humans.
I said already Muslim.
Sentences you know food. I can't teach our boyfriend changu nyo because even now sort of bang
I know,
for the
even,
mawari
of course.
No gwa mulava.
Hey,
No say that no gwa mulava.
I don't have to necessarily. I don't even have to necessarily fall in
gamba
love.
n'abatu interview nze
Hey,
you
no,
never
no,
know
No say that.
Hey,
I did not every time.
Oh man, these
Doesn't
days
think
girls
friends with
and
love.
boys just kuserera ne bagwa mulava. Nowadays tamla nesa ne gwa mulava. Ekera nati na ne abana nga baserera.
abakawaanyi
Kati mukola mutya?
mbeerawo nga ganaseeredde kumbi
Oshitegeera.
okutugenda netuwandika kyonaze
senfuma mugerwa
tugenda mukolawo bati
Aye.
wewati wewati
I know. Onaite
Eh,
onotaita.
kati ono tumuyita ono ono tumukola bati ono
Tekyali kuserera.
Ah,
Ekimu kiba planned.
tekyaseerera tekyaseerera
kyaseere
onooseerera onooseera pakati
pakati
kubanga singa tuseerera nesinga tuseerera buli wamu
I know.
but no
Amina. Thanks for your time, guys.
Thank you for having
Okay, thank you very much.
bamanyi eira kwegamba emboozi ebaawo
You know, meeting your ex embozi esobola okugwayo nga noba si ex wo ng'omuntu mwali mubaddeko like your friends mwejjukanya.
okitegeera
yeah.
The more time you give your
Aha,
ex, the more
bibaawo.
time you genda okwejjukanya.
Exactly.
nedda kyetugambe
he's
kikino
saying.
wabaawo boundary wabaawo
boundaries
boundaries because first of all when Badman my ex moved on yeah I know muwala that's it I have that in my mind I know muwala that's it
ate tuli bantu bakulu
ate tuli bantu bakulu
kintu kyeteeke mu mutwe like it's not gonna work out we're friends so you've called me out you want to take me out for what of course nja kujja nga nkimanyi tuze kulya oba kulya mmere nyinza kulya
Ebintu by'okulya ebyo byagala.
nja kujja ndya emmere yange tunyumye how is life biki we talk about other stuff because nze we nali naawe I'm sure waliwo mikwano gyo gye namanyaako n'aboluganda
Of
bo naye
course.
waliwo mikwano gyange gye wamanyaako so we're going to talk about that as well hey how is Tori how is Trizzy bani bali fine gwe how is Gundi we talk Just normal conversation.
You know that love makes human weaker.
You know when it.
I mean, I'm not saying Chichibio
Wait.
what about breakfast ani Octula Nabone Muri Abichi. But what do you think the girlfriend thinks nga Abamugambi? I'm hanging out with my ex seated here.
Let me tell you, Monse Monofena,
We are
access to access.
No,
to access.
Yes.
It's a circle. So I'm not gonna get a guy today. No, that China ex mulamwa. I never ex. Nange never
And
ex
that's
in my
it,
life.
yes.
And
So
that's
you would
it.
be
I have to
okay
live
if you
with
find
it.
him sitting with the ex and they're chilling.
You cannot control a guy. Wabanga yagadde. No, guy waba yagadde. This is life. We have to be one to work.
Unrealistic.
Unrealistic. Guy waba yagadde okwenda ajja kwenda with either with
Ne
your
ex wo nga tomanyi
permission
oba
oba
ng'omanyi.
without. Waba yagadde okudda wa ex we, he will go freely. Waba tayagadde ye ng'omuntu yajja okwebulira yeteekeko limits ne boundaries nti you know what, this is not right, I'm not going to do this. Nange kenyini nina right eyenda ne ex wange nga njagadde without my boyfriend knowing. So it's life. Just omuntu ng'omuntu gwe yeebulira n'ogamba nze kankule nze let me not do this, let me not do this. I can be friends with my ex, but she wanna wait to say, you know, and even trust is built. I'm not gonna just tell you that trust me with just words. I have to show you that you have to trust me. I'm really free with my exes, and with time, of course, but with time we're gonna love, and by the way, there's nothing to fear.
Okay.
Me, I said that record straight. Yeah, we're friends together, but become no meeting.
No meeting.
Because we're not going to talk about anything.
Tochalina.
No, like we're saying hi. No, it's like this. It's hi. Oh, I saw you're doing music. You're doing amazing. This is what I've always wanted for you. I'm like, yeah, cool, thanks. Move on.
Okay.
Anti kati ze kyengamba ekyo kyonkitegera if mu position yo but wemba nga nina ex nga twemanya kuva dda tukuze ffenna okitegeera ebyo mufalinze in love with someone you knew from way back. I keep the friendship. You get. And it's not that agenda kuntwala ku dinner, no, because first of all I'm not a dinner person.
Koleka
usually tugenda out for band.
I tell her,
and when we are going for band abaako netuchikuba netukuba omuziki.
Yes.
You either pack it.
And I don't go alone. Embozi webererawo, I don't go alone to see my ex. Mutugenze out. Era akimanyi onajjirako oba ono oba bombi. So tujja kunyumya emboozi.
Mujja kwoza ebintu.
Naffe tudda mu mboozi.
Emboozi tetera nagula. Zatera era okumunyumya awo. Tutera abange ebuze kati nga munyumiza. Banange long time nga toddaringa emmere otumala okukuta.
Okay. That brings me to the kind of music you guys are going to do. Take us through which kind of music are we going to see? Hard words to music? Are we going to see love music? Which direction are we taking as Warafiki?
Versatile.
Okay.
That's the right word I can use. We have different type of music we have for you guys. Katitwaso sekta Afro pop. But we have a lot. We have Afro zouk, we have R&B, we have a lot. Love, we have reggae, we have a lot. We have a lot. We have techno,
electrical music.
Yes.
Electronic. So everything. Jona tukibasuubiremu. Zina baabutugobeza this year twabuleseeyo. Anti buli mukola muntu n'amaaso gagendera kutuba tulowooza oba mubadde ki. Okay, when we look at your first ever performance nga tuvujjeko eya gundi, you guys yali etya mmwe mwejajinga mutya nga mufunye your first performance?
Our first performance was actually here.
Yes, got that white party. I remember najiraba ku net.
Oh my God, we won't lie, we were nervous.
Scared.
Oh my God.
Nervous.
We were so nervous.
Abatumanyi be bamanya nti omwali nnyo ku stage mwabadde mutidde.
But then at the same time we pulled it off.
Yes.
We did amazing. But the stage fright was there, but we did amazing.
Okay. I remember that day there were so many artists who were there.
Yes.
I saw Levikson, I saw Lilian Mbabazi,
Epas.
You guys, when you saw these people performing, what did you pick after you were performing mugamba you guys were nervous? What did you pick from them? Kyemwalaba kyebakola gabo.
Owning, like own what you
Yeah.
have, own it, because by owning their songs,
Yeah.
like this is my song, so I'm gonna sing it for you, and you guys mgena kuyimba and enjoy it, like it's a vibe. So own it.
When you're up there,
Own
no,
it.
I'm the best
Yes.
now, Teddy. Angambako, let me do it.
Okay.
Yeah, and engaging the audience. Learning to command the audience. Yeah, also baga mechu never chikola like fetwali tutyamuko. Ebizo mugambo kola kino ne bagana. But nabo twabagira konti, yeah, you can tell them, hey, sing with me. You can dance with me. Yeah, and they do it.
Okay. Then reaching Serena. The lessons.
Twasoka na a brand.
Oh yeah. Well,
It was amazing. Because we stayed during of course of what here. At the different
energies.
stages, a different energy from
energies.
audiences anjawulo.
Audience.
Okaino imba ngomuntu akutunde bwati.
Kuba wali
Boy, not chukuba.
ku Serena twali mu ba planned kids.
Oh, kitegeera.
Sungu bokka.
Accents.
Accents wali. But the good thing, batula bulungi bambi, and they gave us their ears and their attention and listen to
And
what
we
we-
twavayo. Oh,
afterwards
feedback.
anti
The
knows
feedback.
all about the feedback. Tewakulaga
tebatulaga but we twatula.
Batulinda.
Oh,
Guys, it was
Little
amazing. You
Nebajja
look
ku table.
amazing. You're
Oh,
smart.
guys,
You
we
guys.
love you. You look beautiful. We love your song. Your voices are
Ba planned
amazing.
kids.
Planned
Yes.
kids, yes.
Awo ne muwulyanga ne ba planned
Tugamba,
artists.
hey, we are planned artists.
Okay, as we're concluding, 1, 2, 3 questions. Tuli this year, you guys, how are you prepared? Tuli mwaka mpya. Guli omukadde twaguvuddeko olulimba kati tubanja
Yeah.
lwawedde. So what are your plans for 2024?
All we're gonna say is that there's something special that is coming very soon.
Yeah.
Specifically for Valentine's.
Okay. So people should expect anything from now? Back
Yes.
of Valentine's?
Yes.
Okay. Are we, in which interval are we releasing the music?
The interval?
Like,
Can't say. I can.
kuba tulina abayimbi n'agamba buli mwezi ngenda booki oluyimba.
Twalaba nti no last month twabakuba oluyimba ne tubawa ne cover. We can say byaffe biri tricky. Tuyinza okusalawo ne tubawa nnyimba eza mu guno omwezi. Oba ne tugamba nti tubawe bbiri oba lumu. Like, really, tetulina gundi specific gundi tutambulirawo.
Okay.
Yes.
When looking back, what gye mwavudde to start Warafiki, the people you left there, any word you have for them, maybe the parents, are they happy with where you guys
Oh my
are?
God, very happy.
They are.
Very happy.
Yeah.
They basinga
Twagala
n'okuba
beebaza
interviews.
yeah beebala okutukkiriza
I know.
okutukkiririzaamu because amala yandiganye no togenda
Yeah,
ye mwene
yeah,
because
yeah.
parents have that thing music oyo waba onoonefu
Yeah.
biki mwambala mutya but our parents oyambadde
Very
otya oh
supportive.
you girls were smart
I
Okay.
know.
kitegeera tebajaga bukya bwe mwayambadde
Yeah.
ogamba naye mwalabise bulungi
In something
You
very
look
short.
beautiful yes
Okay.
so tubeebaza
Mubeebaza.
support
Okay, with the friends you guys were with and right now the friends you have, kuba manyi abamu class bwekyuka.
we still
No,
have the
tebina
friends.
bakyuka.
We still have the
Still
same
the
friends.
Surprising, some friends will like over.
Hey,
Start acting weird.
wow.
But still, for us, we keep friends.
We're
Right
getting
now tetunafuna abeegoba but I'm saying when someone wabaako watuuse abantu batera okwejjako
Yeah.
omwana oyo yeeraga oh,
Yeah, yatuuka.
kumbe
No,
teweeraze
their energy
but obudde
changes.
but right now we thank God that our friends are still with us they are supporting bali mu whatsapp group zaffe bapushinga music leero mugenda beera watujja
If you check in our phones DPs, you'll see.
bafriends bakyusa dp fa baliko fa
Yeah,
baliko
Warafiki, like our
Yes.
Then the friend you guys had, because you were supposed to be 4,
Yeah.
the Mona Roringa 2, 3. Then the friend, where is she?
She's
What's the
around.
word? James Obolo Kumugamba. Is she with you guys in supporting?
Yeah, she's actually supporting.
she
Kuba
was happy.
teyavaawo mu bubingu bannange.
Yeah.
I don't
Yeah,
know.
tusaba
Really
yagamba
a decision
yeah,
here.
decision here. She's happy.
Yes, she's happy.
Happy.
Era asiba ateekayo my girls you did it finally you did it like yeah she's happy for us.
Don't you guys feel like miss her?
We miss her nga yo omuntu but musically kubanga wano tetumuyina mu kuyimba kwaffe but
friend?
outside our music
We
are
No, I'm talking about in the music circle, like tumwali baddo balina.
tumumisinga naye mukama yakigerawo ebati, so we have to believe it and take it in.
Okay.
Yes.
Do you guys have idols? No gamatin bantu but who should I start with? No gamba singa lomunkera kumacha nenchikuba wadde
Gabali wano obe
anywhere. Oyagala bewe ruboka? Okay. Okay, who is your go leader? Let's start from home.
From home.
Mm.
From home. I have many. From home, I love Nava.
Nava Gray.
I've always loved Nava. I love her vocal. And when it comes to performance, energy, vibe, I love Shiba.
Okay.
I love Shiba. I love the way she's focused, because I've kind of been following her. And I made deco, we cheat, stuff. She's like a lot. What else do I love? Sorry, who else do I love?
Then away from here.
From here, I love Brandy. I love Banner Boy. I love Brandy because of her vocals. I love Beyonce. Of course, everyone loves Beyonce.
Not everyone.
Yeah, she's a performer. I love Beyonce and J-Lo, and because of even okay, I have many people I look at to like. I have many. Yeah, but I love
Sorry.
Nze idol wange yali late Whitney Houston.
Yes. Kulaba. Bintu byotambulira mumbiraba.
Mwagala nnyo, like ye muntu gwe nkuze ngamba, I want to be like her. I want to sing like her. Yes.
In the music, whatever over her personal life.
Musically.
Kwa personal life ine tujimanyi iko.
Personal life ye yali crazy, but nayagalanga nnyo character ye. Besides BD, yali muntu ali down to earth. Era paka kati bamwogerako, yet she was a legend. Nainga ye muntu gosanga like, yes, personality ye, yes. Music we, yes. Paka last.
Okay. Je muntu yeka, wana Uganda tolina. Kwa tugambe yo mu China je wali. Sulianga mimbe mu China.
Mu China temumumanyi.
Tombuleke.
Aliyo musala ye. Wano njagala nnyo abantu bangi. I love Banji.
Queenie Shiba.
Oh, Queen Shiba. No Queen.
Hey, you love King Shiba? Manager King Shiba.
Which one? No, I love. Njagala bangi. Kamba mentioning it just. Njagala nnyo Cindy.
Okay.
Njagala nnyo Shiba. Lillian Babazi. Carol Nantongo. Njagala APAS. Big Trio.
Okay.
Baby Call.
Oh.
Chameleon. Like njagala
idol artist.
No, I don't.
Gwenda bilako na
So when
you know more. Whitney Houston.
Why on
Whitney and Sissy Winans. Sissy Winans maybe wa gospel. Because ngeje nakulira mu church before we najanga sina Beyonce gwe nali ntunulira Sissy Winans. But then I got to know about Whitney. Kati ne babirawo babiri.
Why on Baby Cool you said, oh.
Baby Cool, APAS. You guys look for me. I love that music.
Okay.
Me, my name is Nandi weird. I don't know. First of all, there's only like this woman. Every time I see her on stage, I'm like, oh my god, because she's a perfectionist. She can do it all. She can sing. She can rap. Lauryn Hill. She started doing music way back as but the way I listened to her album, it's been older than me, but Amo is like, oh my god, like she takes my breath away every time I see her. Every time I see her freestyles, Lauryn Hill, and then I come back to Rihanna. I don't know about there's something about her. Like newa stage, you're like, whoo, her aura is amazing. And then Freddie Mercury. That's why I say that weird. Freddie Mercury. Oh my God, his stage control, like how he used to control the audience. When I saw that movie, actually that's when I was like, wow. I started following him and then looking up like whatever he used to be before he passed. I was like, wow. So I'll pick those three. And then here. And then here. Irene Namubiru. I don't know why I've backed up so many artists one way or another, but that's the one person I never got the chance to be on the same stage with. Gwentula Oningamba, oh my God, how I wish I did. Oh, I wish I had that opportunity. Irene Namubiru. And then Cindy, of course. Oh, she's a monster. I love that I experienced whatever I did with her on stage. Ngakogamba, you forget that you're back up, no, and you're like, oh, okay. So, who else?
Now we
Yeah,
do.
I think, that's it.
So currently now we're doing music. No any other business?
We have other businesses.
Oh.
Yeah.
Okay. But I can't depending on music.
Oh,
Yep.
no. Let's
We
not
have other
talk about that.
businesses.
No.
Fine to
That's
disclose,
for-
or it's
That's
for
for
another day.
another
We
day.
can't disclose.
We can't disclose it now.
Mm.
We can't.
Yeah.
Okay.
But if we do not to agada bantu baffe bamanyi, we
Yes.
shall let them know so that they come and support.
Okay. Your prayer. You guys, what you're praying for this year? As we're finishing.
We pray for oneness,
Okay.
to keep together, Pakalas. We pray for our music to circulate Uganda and outside.